I'm tracking. I like it. I just don't want anyone to think the car can't make a turn.
Right. Just in case.
Hold up. We could add some corners.
I'm just not feeling that this super aggressive driving is going to resonate with the target demo. I mean, who actually watches these sorts of films?
Earthquake, weak, shaking, expected in 61 seconds.
Supra, cruising through
Earthquake.
the city at night. Okay. Your classic sheet metal
Earthquake,
car
light,
spot.
shaking,
Driver
expected
takes a
in
wrong turn.
52
Okay.
seconds.
Seems better. More what we were looking for.
Suddenly he finds
Earthquake,
himself in
light,
the middle of a
shaking,
drift race.
expected in
Great.
earthquake, moderate, shaking, expected in 38 seconds. Earthquake, moderate, shaking, expected in 29 seconds. Earthquake, strong shaking, expected in 17 seconds. Earthquake, strong shaking expected in earthquake, very strong shaking expected in 3 seconds.
This emergency notification is for the entire state of California. At this time, strong shaking is expected. I repeat, at this time, strong shaking is expected. Seek shelter under a desk or sturdy building. Cover your head from debris, and firmly hold the desk with your other hand. Stay away from obstacles that seem fragile. The telephone line shall be used only in life-threatening situations. Once again, at this time, strong shaking is expected. Seek cover. Tune to channel 23 for more information.
Our top story tonight, a massive earthquake strikes California. This is the biggest earthquake we have seen since 30 years. Seismologists are shocked to witness the magnitude of the quake. Many have gone so far as to call it a 10.0 magnitude earthquake. Aftershocks are expected. If you cannot evacuate at this time, stay away from electrical outlets and have water, food, shelter intact.
Samantha, I am going to have to cut you right there. We have reports of another earthquake striking California, possibly one of many other aftershocks. We have live coverage of this new earthquake.
Shaking expected in 61 seconds. Earthquake,
This just in, new reports of a possible tsunami are now in effect. If you are a resident in the coast area, you'll receive evacuation routes for your area soon. All residents are required to evacuate now. The emergency alert system will now be programmed. Do not be alarmed.
A tsunami warning is now in effect. All residents in coastal areas need to evacuate now. I repeat, a tsunami warning is now in effect for all coastal areas in California. Seek higher ground and listen carefully to escape routes from the coastal team. More news coverage will be available on Channel 23 and Now 59. Do not panic.
Atención, la alerta sísmica ha sonado. En este momento, vayan a un lugar de refugio. No se asuste, vamos a tener el reporte en un momentito. Atención, la alerta sísmica ha sonado. Hay un temblor fuerte, por favor vaya a un lugar de refugio.